Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. So before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Icon Beauty Supply. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay, divas, so today we have a unit by Sensational from the Butta Lace collection. Today we have her in this style, Ocean Wave 30 in the color number 1B. And I'm just reading off the stock card to make sure I get everything right. So yeah, this is their virtually HD lace. It's very undetectable from what their claims are, and that's actually really true. It did just blend right into my skin, which is just amazing. So I wanted to note that this color on the stock card model is absolute fire as well, but you guys know I am a 1 or a 1B type of girl. I would even go for a 2, but I just love the natural colors. But this color actually looks really gorgeous. So yeah, getting right into how I feel about this unit, I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and talk about the cap construction first. So the cap construction is really nice. I feel like this is an average head friendly unit, and I do fall in the category of the bigger head girls, okay? So, but I feel like if you have a smaller head or even an average head or big head, like, you'll be okay with it. It's not squeezing my head or anything. I don't feel uncomfortable. So yeah, I feel like this one is for everybody. As far as like the lace and everything, I absolutely love the lace. It melted in flawlessly and seamlessly, and I always love that. That is one thing that I love about the Butta Lace collection. It's really nice, and yeah, it's exactly what the name is, Butta Lace. As far as the style goes, I really do like this style. The texture of this hair does, in my personal opinion, fall more so on the silkier category. which I don't mind at all. Like, this hair feels so soft and it feels so nice and it looks even better, okay? I love these waves. These waves are absolutely gorgeous. Like, I am just so here for them. You guys know I love anything glam, so yeah, these waves are just, yes, they are killing it. I did go ahead and add a little bit of baby hair. I tell you guys all the time, I come from the era where the baby hairs were accepted and embraced, okay? But you guys definitely don't have to wear baby hairs with this because the hairline is good. Now, while the hairline is pre-plucked and everything, if you are a person where you like it super pre-plucked, you might have to go in and pluck it a little bit. But for me personally, I didn't go in and pluck anything. I feel like it's definitely wearable out of the pack. But to each his own. Everybody has like their specific way that they would want it. For me personally, what I recommended, yes, like without any plucking, it looks fine. It looks very natural. And that is leading us to the parting space. The parting space also looks very natural. All I did was go in and I added my foundation color on the opposite side of the lace, and it's good to go. It's blending and melting right into my skin. Now let's get into the shedding and tangling. I did experience a little bit of shedding as well as a little bit of tangling, but it was to be expected because this is a human hair blend. But with these type of fibers, I always expect to get some shedding and tangling with longer ones. However, it wasn't anything that was too excessive to the point where I would not buy this wig or recommend this wig. So yeah, just keep that in mind. For me, I would say to just go in with your wig control spray. I was too lazy to get up and get mine, but I definitely just went ahead and brushed through my wig, and now I don't really have any tangling, just like a little bit towards the bottom, as you guys can see there. And I don't have any more shedding, which is really good. So overall, all in all, I do like the unit. I feel like she's very beautiful. She's definitely one of those pop out units to where if you want to wear her to like a sexy date night or girls night out or even a brunch or something, like this is very beautiful. And I definitely feel like this could be possibly an everyday hairstyle if you are that diva-esque type of girl. Like, this definitely could fall into that category. The hair quality is really, really nice, and I'm guessing because it is like one of those human blend units, so it's just really, really, really nice. And I'm just trying to make sure that I'm not forgetting anything. But yeah, it's really, really gorgeous. Oh yeah, and I wanted to let you guys know that it comes in a ton of other colors, specialty colors like their balayage colors, and it also comes in T4 wine. It's a bunch of colors, so definitely check out the website so you guys can see which different colors. And also it comes in this T4/ash blonde, which I am so tempted to get that because I haven't had ash blonde in a long time. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a link down in the description box below, so make sure you go ahead and check that out if you want to pick up this unit. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking. Let me know, would you try out this unit? Have you tried out this unit? What color do you like? Definitely just talk to me. I would love to communicate with you fabulous divas, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.